to eat the dream. You have to sleep the dream. You have to dream the dream. You got to touch. You have to see it when nobody else sees it. You have to feel it when it's not tangible. You have to believe it when you cannot see it. You got to be possessed with the dream. The dream.
Mama call, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
To throw, looking for Ebner in the flat. Kevin Strong trying to run him down. Picked off. Intercepted by UTSA. It's Nate Gaines on the left side. UTSA gets the first turnover of the game. Snap back to Sturm, looking up in the pocket over the middle, caught, touchdown, Stewart with a score. A bootleg, and he's got a ton of running room. 35, 40, 45, 50, down the sideline 40, he's to the 30. How about that run for Dalton Sturm? It's caught by Thomas at the 25, to the 20, to the 15, take it to the house, Thomas scores, UTSA is taking the lead.
Now they always say congratulations.
Fourth down and 2 from the 19. Wainwright goes in motion left to right, back to the right. They're going to throw a pass. Solomon under pressure, steps up, sacked! He is nailed by Tauefa, and the Roadrunner defense is held.
For the money, I'm a savage. I be itching like I had it. I'm surrounded 20 babies. But they didn't know me legend. Everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my door.
The Roadrunners come on the field, and UTSA has beaten Baylor.
If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got me?